the Pro 3. Let's take a look at it. So the OXVA Pro 2 was the last awesome Xlim, and with that device we had the DNA chip. So how do you better that kind of innovation? We're going to take a look, so follow me down.
And what is there, my trousers? Would you like a look?
Here is the Xlim Pro 3. We'll have a look from the top down, but I'll let you have a little tease. Let's have a look around the device. Oh, yeah. There is 9 different colorways. This is just one of those colorways. So I've got the 3mm up top, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1.2. The key to the success has been the flavor that they managed to develop with this. Now, excuse me, I have been running this one, so you can see I'm already juiced up. In fact, due for a bit of a top up. This is the 0.6, which I find to be perfect. They are top fill, which is actually on the side. The device is smart, so you can see on the base there it says 20 to 25 watts. I grab the device, drop it in, and it's going, do you know what? Let's give it 22 watts. Okay, amazing leak protection on these. You can see if I bring this back in, the seals on these, they're like, I think 5 levels of layer-proof, leak-resistant. So that's impressive. You don't get any issues with condensation or leaking on these. Continuing from the atomizer, we've got massive adjustable airflow on here. And although it looks quite small on the body, this goes really restricted to wide open. We've now got this massive display. The display compared to the Pro 2 is a huge size increase. This, which is the same size as this, has a 1300 milliamp hour battery, whereas the Pro 3, 1500 milliamp hours, a massive battery in this one. So with a big battery, what you want to know is charging. Well, it's a fast charge, 5 volt, 2 amp USB-C, and that gives you up to 80% of a full battery in just 30 minutes. Output wise, we're looking 5 to 30 watts. It's a very easy to use device, and this has a high frequency pulse technology. So pulsing is when you're inhaling on the device, rather than just firing the coil. There is a frequency there which is like fire, 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 very, very rapidly. And that pulsing helps to keep the temperature lower, so it's not getting red hot on the mesh coil. That is giving you a longer increase on the longevity of the coil life. Onto the display here, we've got a readout for our battery percentage. We can see it's unlocked at the top. 22 watts is the current wattage delivery. I've changed the theme here to show me the battery bar. The puff count is 57, and then you have the time of the last puff, which is when I just tapped it. Then it will give you the resistance of the coil, which is a 0.6 ohm pod in this one. 1 click is obviously using the device, that's firing it. 2 clicks gets you into the menu, and here you can see we've got theme. Hold it and you can rotate through. You can change to this one, or this one here with the animation on the Nano Superman. A round robin, it goes to exit, so we'll go top, middle, bottom, any of those 3 user interfaces. If you want to change to say this display, hold down on the fire button and that's it, you've selected that new display. Back into the menu, 2 clicks, 1, 2. I can go to light, hold it, and we've got 1 option, 2 option, 3 option, and you can see there the RGB panel on the base, and that is as complicated as the menu is. If I don't want smart mode for my wattage, 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3, and I can manually adjust that. And then finally, 5 clicks is to turn the device on, turn the device off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So even though the button's off, I can still turn the device off using the button. The big innovation for me is the fact that in the same size of device as the Pro 2, they've gone from 1300 milliamps to 1500. That's a massive increase for the within a year of development. They've jumped that much. I think we had the Pro 2 back in around April, May of 25, and already we're putting bigger batteries into that same form factor, which just seems incredible. Flavor wise, which is a key point on delivery of a device like this, goes without saying, it's OXVA Xlim. So it's incredible flavor delivery. It's exactly as you would imagine it to be from the best that's out there. If you've had OXVA pods, then the great news is they're cross-compatible, so you can take your Xlim pod and carry on using it with a new device. That's my look at the latest device from OXVA, the Xlim Pro 3. And if you've enjoyed this video, which, you know, I'm hoping you have, then maybe you will drop a subscribe down there so you see future videos like the one that's going to appear on screen shortly, somewhere around there. But make sure you like before you leave, because it's the polite thing to do. Bye. Driving home for Christmas. Oh, I see the faces.